Did you know the founder of one of history's greatest empires kept a diary full of grief, fear, and homesickness? His name was Babur. At 11 years old, he inherited a tiny kingdom in Central Asia, then spent the next 20 years losing thrones, sleeping in the cold, and rebuilding from nothing. He wrote all of it down. Every failure, every loss, every time he cried. By 1526, he had scraped together roughly 12,000 men. Waiting on the other side at Panipat was Ibrahim Lodi with over 100,000 soldiers and 100 war elephants. It should have been a massacre, but Babur had something nobody in India had ever seen: field artillery, and a flanking tactic so fast and so precise that Lodi's massive army had nowhere to run. By sunset, Lodi was dead, and the Mughal Empire, which would rule the subcontinent for 3 centuries, was born. The man who built all of that never stopped writing about how scared and lost he felt. Almost nobody outside South Asia even knows his name.